This afternoon, I'm up by the Lakeland Mall in Hampton Hills, and I'm ready to show you this really nice 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a single car garage. This is a perfect starter home for a young family looking to get started that wants home ownership without a lot of maintenance. So without further ado, let's go take a look. All right, we're gonna show you 3806 Exeter, and this is in Northwest Lakeland. You can see these are all townhomes, and so just kind of show you the idea here of looking down the street. And this is right up when you turn off of Dover Terrace. Come right down here, and it's the first building on the left. So let's go take a look at this. Really, really nice, very well kept. There's your single car garage. So I'm gonna go in here and show you this. Really well laid out, very well. So 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. A couple things. Here's a little bit of a closet here when you first walk in. This is your half bath. So really when you're downstairs and time for the restroom, you've got your bathroom right here. So this is the half. Got your sink and your toilet. Okay. Your laundry is right here. So it does include, again, this is fully furnished. This is really nice. So washer and dryer do come with it. Place for storing your soap up here. Single car garage here. So nothing crazy, just a basic 1-car garage. Your air conditioner, your air handler is located right here. But notice the luxury vinyl plank flooring. So it's great all downstairs. And look at this nice open design. Really, really cool. This is where you're hanging out. This is where you're doing life. And then this just heads up to the bedrooms. Over 1,750 square feet of living area. Let's go into the kitchen where you're gonna see granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. You've got your fridge, your built-in microwave, range. These are GE profile, or I should say the fridge is GE profile, along with the other appliances too, which are the high end of GE. Nice cabinets. Really pretty dark cabinets, look really, really nice. Love the color combination here. It's got great color scheme, if you will. Double sinks. You can see the island this way, looking back out to the main area. Plenty of natural lighting coming in through the sliders along with these lights. Love the brick backdrop on it. Isn't that nice? Again, fully furnished. Ready to share some meals here with your family. Here is the pantry. And there is a little back patio area, which is kind of nice. So you can hang out here. You've got some lights up here. Really, really cute. You got a chair and a table to hang out, little grill. So if you want to get outside and do a little barbecuing, you can also do that. Modern light fixtures up here. Perfect for the young family looking to start a place. And you can see they got a nice rug down here, but this is all luxury vinyl plank flooring, which is great for low maintenance for kids, pets, what have you. Now, the owners put in brand new carpet. Isn't this nice? By the way, I know you can't smell through a video. If you could, it'd be a little weird. But the carpet smells fantastic. You can smell it when you first walk in. It's got that new, that new car smell. It's got the new carpet smell when you first walk in. You can see there's a natural light there, and then looking down the hallway. It's a good neutral color too. It's like a dark beige. Now let me show you this common area too. We didn't talk about that. So loft area. It's great for kids kind of hanging out, and even put your computer, office, what have you. So let's go into the large primary suite. I say large because it's big. That's a king bed, and this room is easily able to handle that. You can see this is looking out. We're upstairs. They've got a crib in here too. Walk-in closets, really nice size. Kind of kicks around here. And then there's shelving this way. attic access. So lots of closet space. And then this is the primary suite. So you come in here and you've got your tub shower combination, ceramic tile flooring, and the same cabinets. And get your sink. You can see the cabinet above here, and then neutral tile with like a La Stella here design coming across. Everything's, again, really in great shape. So nice size primary suite. Let's go down the hallway again. These are other 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. And again, couch, desk. Let's get right into the bedrooms. Linen closet straight ahead. And then you can see the bedrooms. Again, really well decorated. Just, hey, bring your toothbrush, as they say. You don't have to worry about furnishing this. If you need furniture, let's bring them a really good offer. Let's make it happen. There's your double doors for your closet. Ceiling fans, very modern ceiling fans. Again, all the carpet looks great. Heading over to the other bedroom, and you can see, here we go. Window, and then you've got your other double doors here for your closet. And then your full bath is up here. Same as the primary suite. You can see the cabinets, sink, and then kicking around here is your tub shower combination with the doors. By the way, this has got paneled doors. If you look at the actual interior doors, which is really nice too. So it's got a design to it. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour. It's a great property and would love to tell you more about it. And more than that, let's take a look at it. And all my contact information is below. Just remember this, whether selling or buying, gotta call Brian. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. I hope you've enjoyed this home tour. Do me a favor, all my contact information is below. I'd love to connect with you and find out what your real estate needs are. Do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, because we're doing home tours all the time, along with dropping other valuable content to help you buy or sell homes in Central Florida. All right, talk to you soon. God bless. Have a good day.